Hi, welcome to WUKO. This is our line products of benders. So basically we get some small benders to the large benders. You can do from 10 footers, which you can use just the short piece with the small benders. If you try to do much technical stuff, radius and stuff, you try to go with the 2050. That's the best small tools ever built. Alright, and the large one you can bend with this guy. The dual benders can go from 0 to 60 feet, 80 feet long. So that's why they designed with dual shafts. So make it a lot better stabilities and all that control of the tools. Alright? So basically this is also Austrian aluminums. It's called Prefa, and it's very good materials. So any short link you bend, basically you can bend the flange, you can hem the flange, you can bend any direction you want with this tool. Alright? So we're gonna set example. So you just go back and forth with the tools. Whatever you're comfortable with the tools hold, you can hold the tools from here, make it better leverage, or you can hold from the base. So basically you just go back and forth, gradually get to 90 degrees. Alright? Then you can fabricate mechanical panel. That's the WUKO 2204. So now we have the newer versions which have angle bearings on it. So when you get to 90 degrees, it won't interfere with the surface materials. Alright? There you have it. So when you get to the long length, like I was saying earlier, say you have longer length, more than 10 feet, then you definitely need the dual benders. Because you don't want to use the small ones. This will take it longer, and the stability of the tools, they won't be good on the long length. Right? So Sam concept with the rest of them. You can adjust from 0 up to 8 inches on this version. Or you can get the 14-inch version. So we have the deeper ones and we have the shorter ones. So when you bend a long length, make sure you put a crease on it. Once you have the crease, then you're basically back. See how quick that is. Again, and we have the same newer versions with the dual benders with the angle bearings. You can set up the clippers, you can set up with a guide, which is you can cut straight, and also you can cut radius with it, cutting curves. Basically you put the line, you just trace the line and just follow the line, cut the radius. This cut most of the time is you do the radius, eyebrow, dormer, fascia. Alright? So when you do light radius to bend, any of the single rollers can follow that radius. You can't do with the duo because bigger face plate. You won't do on the radius. If you have tighter radius, then definitely you gotta have the 2050 or 2020 or any other small version of our WUKO benders. So with this radius, you can use the 2204 or the 6200. So my favorite one is always the 6200 because it's got more, leverage and also it's better angle for it. So you just set up whatever the angle you want to bend here and the exposure and the kick. Basically, you just set it up and you just bend the kick. Johnny. And then you put the reverse kick. All right, after you've done that, you just get your hand benders. Well, disc benders. And then you just flip the materials over. So you just slide here. You just go back and forth. You're really nice kick, hand, radius fix.